Hey there, all you beautiful breathing humans. My name is Lucas Lawmans, and thank you for joining me on another guided breathwork session today. Today we'll be looking at 3 times 3-minute rounds of beautiful, simple, connected alkaline breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth, followed by 1-minute meditative breath retentions at the end of every round. The breath technique is 4 in through the nose and 4 out through the mouth. Nice and slow, 4 in through the nose and 4 out through the mouth, counting each time if that keeps you in a meditative state. You can do this sitting down in a chair, lying down, sitting in meditation pose, wherever you feel the most comfortable to go inward. So get comfortable as we look to start round number 1 in 3, 2, in 2, 3, 4, out 2, 3, 4, in 2, 3, 4, out 2, 3, 4. Now keep this beautiful rhythm. In this first round will really be about finding the breath that works for you. The idea here is to try and keep the inhale as connected as possible to the exhale, and likewise, so almost a circular motion, filling up the belly first, followed by the chest, not deep, full breaths. But this is all about breathing. As long as you are doing that, you are doing it correctly. So find your own depth, your own level of comfort as you settle in. We are nearing the halfway mark of this first round. Keep this rhythm up, enjoy. We'll check in as we get closer to taking a recovery breath in. Okay, second last breath in, and one more. Now recovery breath in, and hold, and let it out. Now settle in for your 1-minute breath retention. If at any stage you find the stress or the need to breathe, then push past that. Know that you are safe, everything is fine. But if you do need to breathe in, breathe gently and slowly and fully, and then back out again slowly as you can, back into the hole. Enjoy this time with yourself. And again now, recovery breath in and let it out. Excellent work, everyone. Round number 2 and 2. 1, in, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4. Now keep this rhythm going. Beautiful work, people. This is the second round of 3. You're doing amazing. Notice the physiological changes in your body as you continue to deep breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. Counts of 4 each way. Keep that rhythm. Focus internally. Focus between your eyes, just above them in the forehead, or on your heart center, or on your belly. Just listen to what your body is telling you as you continue to keep this rhythmic breathing and feel your body become more and more oxygenated. You're boosting your immune system and raising your mood as we speak. So keep that amazing work going as we head further and deeper into round number 2. We'll be back with you for the breathwork retention shortly. Almost there. Recovery breath coming in. One more breath and recovery breath in and hold, then let it out into our second 1 minute meditative breath retention. Once again, go inward and focus on whatever your body is telling you. Feel the life force energy moving around and within you as you hold your breath and oxygenate your body to a high level, boost that immune system, lower your cortisol level, and put yourself in an amazing place to inspect yourself. Okay, recovery breath in 3, 2, recovery breath in, briefly hold and release. Nice work, everyone. As we look to head into round number 3, take a couple of normal breaths. Now in, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, in, this going, keep this beautiful rhythm going. Follow my breath. This is the last round of 3. You've done an amazing job. What an excellent thing you've done for yourself. This is really self-care and self-love. That's a beautiful thing that we can practice for ourselves every single day. Keep your rhythm going. Follow my breath. And we'll be back to check in as we finish this off. Beautiful meditative breath retention. Okay, next breath is a recovery breath. And recovery breath in. Briefly hold. Keep holding. Keep squeezing. And hold it out. Into our final 1 minute meditative breath retention. Just focus deeply and intently on the body. What the body is telling you, where the energy is traveling within. Pay attention there. Okay, final recovery breath in, and 3, 2, recovery breath in. Briefly hold, and final upwards hold. Release. Thank you, all of you beautiful humans, for letting me guide you through this breathwork session today, under the beautiful natural look of the waterfall here in Canterbury. Stay tuned to the channel for more of these videos. This is a taste of the kind of coaching I will be offering at New Zealand Spirit Festival 2024, January 18th to the 21st. Stay safe, stay free everyone. Peace to all of you. Love and light. And we'll see you again real soon.